Evaluating Algebraic Expressions. Hello smart learners! Today, let us solve a simple algebra problem step by step. The given equation is The given equation is 5x plus 7 by 2 equals 3 by 2x minus 14. First, we remove the fractions by using LCM. The denominators are 2 and 2, so the LCM is 2. Now, we multiply both sides of the equation by 2. On the left side, 2 multiplied by 5x gives 10x. 2 multiplied by 7 by 2 gives 7. On the right side, 2 multiplied by 3 by 2x gives 3x. 2 multiplied by minus 14 gives minus 28. So the equation becomes 10x plus 7 equals 3x minus 28. Next, we bring like terms together. Subtract 3x from both sides. We get 7x plus 7 equals minus 28. Now subtract 7 from both sides. 7x equals minus 35. Finally, divide both sides by 7. The value of x is minus 5. Final answer, the value of x is minus 5. Let us solve the same algebra problem using another easy method. Bring like terms together. Move numbers to one side and x terms to the other side. Combine the x terms. Write 5x as 10 by 2x. Move the constant term. Subtract 7 by 2 from both sides. Solve for x. Multiply both sides by 2 by 7. Final answer, the value of x is minus 5. Well done, smart learners. Hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more maths learning videos.